Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Singh. I am here to present you a presentation on topic 14 Principle of Henry Fayol. So let's start with first division of work. The work should be divided among individual and group to ensure that efforts and attention are focused on special portion of task. Fayol presented work specialization as the best way to use the human resource of the organization. Second, authority. The concept of authority and responsibility are very closely related. Authority was defined by Henry Fayol as the right to give order and the power to accept obedience. Responsibility involves being accountable and is therefore naturally associated with the authority. Whoever assumes authority also assumes responsibilities. Discipline. A successful organization requires the common effort of worker. Penalty should be applied judiciously to encourage the common effort. Fourth, unity of command. Workers should receive order from only one manager. Unity of direction. The entire organization should be moving toward a common objective in a common direction. Subordinates of individual interest to the general interest. The interest of one person should not take a priority over the other interest of the organization as a whole. Remuneration. Many variables such as cost of living, supply of qualified personnel, general business conditions, and success of the business should be considered in the determining of worker rate of pay. Centralization. Fayol defines centralization as lowering the importance of the subordinate role. Decentralization is increasing the important the degree to which centralization or decentralization should be adopted depends on specific organization in which a manager is working. Scalar chain. Managers is in hectic as part of chain like authority cell. Each manager from the first line supervisor to the president pose certain amount of authority. The president possesses the most authority. The first line supervisor that least lower level manager should always keep up upper level manager informed of their work activities. The extent of scalar change and adherence to its and necessary if the organization is to be successful. Order. For the sake of efficiency and coordination, all materials and people related to the specific kind of work should be treated as equal as possible. Equality. All employees should be treated as equal as possible. Stability of tenure and personals. Retaining productive employees should always be higher priority of management, recruitment and selection cost, as well as increased product reject rate and usual associated with hiring new workers. Initiative. The management should take steps to encourage worker initiative, which is defined as new or additional work activity undertaken through the self-direction. Spirit de corps. Management should encourage harmony and general good feeling among employees. Thank you.